Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi 12, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and drag this application to another one. And here you can see that we just create successfully the new device folder. If you want to add more applications here, just hold for a while. The app and drag it here to this folder again. Also, we can rename this folder. Just click here to the name and enter, for example, the apps. Now just tap here to the home button and you can see that we just successfully rename our device folder. Also here we can hold this folder on the screen, so by this way, and we can also move this folder between the screens. We can also create the new screens within home screen folders here. Okay, go back. And if you want to just remove the applications from the folder, just by the same way, hold for a while and drag it here to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen, or also if you want to just remove the app from the home screen, click here to remove. But don't worry, this application will remove only from your device home screen, but this app will stay also in your apps menu. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.